Hey, welcome to GoLogica. In this video, we discuss AI concepts like AI, Gen AI, and machine learning. Now, start with roadmap introduction, about course modules, job roles, and salaries, conclusion.
GoLogica presents a master's program in AI, generative AI, and machine learning, offering an in-depth exploration of the cutting-edge technologies transforming industries today. This course is designed for individuals looking to expand their expertise in artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and the rapidly evolving field of generative AI. The program equips you with the skills to design, implement, and manage AI-driven systems and solutions, making you proficient in the core aspects of these advanced technologies. The curriculum is structured to ensure both foundational knowledge and advanced practical skills, empowering you to step into a variety of roles such as AI researcher, data scientist, machine learning engineer, or generative AI specialist. The course focuses on three primary domains: artificial intelligence, generative AI, and machine learning, providing an immersive learning experience. Throughout the program, you'll gain hands-on experience with real-world datasets, industry-standard tools, and cutting-edge algorithms. You will learn the theoretical principles behind machine learning models, AI architectures, and the innovative methods used to generate new content through AI systems. With industry applications ranging from healthcare and finance to entertainment and marketing, this course is tailored to help you stay ahead in the rapidly advancing AI and tech landscape. The program is designed to be live training, allowing students the flexibility to learn according to their schedule. It includes a mix of video lectures, interactive assignments, and project work, ensuring that students can practically apply their learning in real time. By the end of the course, you'll have a portfolio of projects that demonstrate your AI, generative AI, and ML expertise, making you highly competitive in the job market. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. In this module, you'll explore the basics of AI and ML, including the history, evolution, and core principles of these fields. You'll learn about supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, and algorithms that are the backbone of AI systems. Additionally, this module introduces key libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, which are widely used in the AI community for building machine learning models. Mathematics for machine learning. Understanding the mathematical concepts behind machine learning algorithms is critical for deepening your knowledge of AI. In this module, you'll dive into linear algebra, calculus, probability theory, and statistics as they relate to machine learning. You'll gain practical insights into how mathematical models underpin algorithms, enhancing your problem-solving skills and ability to build sophisticated AI systems. Supervised and unsupervised learning. This module covers the most widely used machine learning techniques, including regression, classification, and clustering. You'll learn how to develop models that predict outcomes from labeled data and identify patterns in unlabeled data, exploring tools like decision trees, support vector machines, and k-means clustering. Hands-on projects will give you practical exposure to these techniques. Deep learning and neural networks. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that has revolutionized AI in recent years. This module delves into artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, along with deep reinforcement learning. You'll understand how deep learning models are trained and fine-tuned, and you'll have the opportunity to implement them on real-world datasets for tasks like image classification, language processing, and prediction. Generative AI and advanced techniques. Generative AI focuses on teaching machines to generate new data that mimics real-world information. This module explores key concepts such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, variational autoencoders, VAEs, and transformer models used in the creation of realistic images, videos, music, and text. Students will learn how to create generative models capable of producing new, high-quality outputs from scratch with practical applications in creative industries, entertainment, and advertising. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP is an essential part of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human language. In this module, you'll learn how to design systems that understand, interpret, and generate human language. Topics include text processing, language models, and sentiment analysis, with a focus on popular NLP frameworks like Spacey and NLTK. Real-world applications such as chatbots and voice assistants will be discussed. AI in real-world applications. This module focuses on how AI and machine learning are applied across various industries. You'll explore AI applications in healthcare, finance, automotive, and e-commerce to solve real-world problems like fraud detection, personalized recommendations, autonomous driving, and predictive analytics. Case studies will showcase successful AI implementations and the challenges faced in scaling these solutions. AI ethics, bias, and governance. As AI technology continues to evolve, ethical considerations are critical. In this module, you'll examine the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI and the importance of fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. You'll explore topics like algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the impact of AI on society, ensuring that you have a holistic understanding of the challenges AI faces in modern applications. Capstone Project. The Capstone Project brings all your learning together. You will design and implement an AI, generative AI, or ML project from start to finish, demonstrating your ability to apply theoretical knowledge to solve practical problems. This project will serve as an excellent addition to your portfolio and provide you with hands-on experience to showcase to potential employers. Job roles and salaries in AI, generative AI, and machine learning. AI engineer role designs and implements AI models and solutions for automation, optimization, and predictive analysis. Average salary, Rs8 15 LPA, mid-level, up to R50 LPA for senior roles. Machine learning engineer role develops algorithms and models that enable machines to learn from data and make decisions. Average salary, R612 LPA for entry level, up to R30 LPA for experienced professionals. Generative AI developer role creates models like GANs or transformers to generate synthetic data, text, or images. Average salary, Rs8 18 LPA, higher with expertise in advanced generative techniques. Data scientist role analyzes large datasets using AI and ML techniques to derive actionable insights. Average salary, Rs8 20 LPA, can exceed R40 LPA in top-tier companies. AI research scientist role conducts research to innovate and improve AI algorithms and methodologies. Average salary, Rs 12 to 25 LPA. Senior researchers may earn R50 plus LPA. NLP engineer role specializes in natural language processing for chatbots, translation, and sentiment analysis. Average salary, R7 15 LPA. Higher for advanced NLP expertise. Computer vision specialist role develops AI models for image recognition, video analysis, and AR/VR applications. Average salary, Rs8 18 LPA, depending on project complexity and experience. AI product manager role oversees AI project lifecycle, coordinating between technical and business teams. Average salary, Rs 12 to 25 LPA, up to R40 LPA in top organizations. Top organizations throughout industries, along with Google, Microsoft, Amazon, IBM, and NVIDIA, are actively searching for talented professionals in AI and ML to drive innovation and efficiency. Companies in healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and self-reliant technology additionally demand specialists proficient in generative AI for creative solutions and automation. The GoLogica guides consist of resume constructing assistance, mock interview practice, and mission portfolios, ensuring freshmen are activity equipped to fulfill industry demands. GoLogica offers a contemporary course overlaying artificial intelligence, AI, generative AI, and machine learning, ML, designed to empower you with future-geared-up talents. This software gives in-depth information on AI algorithms, ML models, and generative technologies like neural networks and deep studying, equipping you to excel in records-driven industries. GoLogica affords comprehensive resume preparation, assisting you to craft a standout resume that highlights your understanding of AI and ML. Additionally, mock interview instruction classes ensure you're confident and prepared to address enterprise-precise questions. The path is self-paced, allowing you to examine your comfort at the same time as balancing other commitments. By the end of this program, you'll be job-ready for roles along with AI engineer, data scientist, or ML specialist with hands-on experience and practical expertise. Choose GoLogica to accelerate your profession in AI and ML and grow to be a pace setter on this transformative subject.